So do you also want to send bulk SMSs like this in 5 minutes? Then you are on the right video. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can send these bulk SMS to all the details you have in your spreadsheet in just 5 minutes. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 of SMS for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, you have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, you have to select it as Google Sheets. Now for the trigger event, you have to select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. You're going to receive the webhook URL, so just copy the webhook URL and go towards your spreadsheet, extensions, add-ons, and then towards this get add-ons. Now you have to add an extension in the spreadsheet which is named Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So go on the search apps and search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and you have to install this extension. As you can see, I have already installed this extension over here. After you install this extension, make sure to refresh your spreadsheet, otherwise you'll not be able to view the option of this Pabbly Connect Webhooks in your extensions tab. Once you view this Pabbly Connect Webhooks option, go on this and then towards this initial setup. After you come on this initial setup, you can simply enter the webhook URL and the trigger column. So for the webhook URL, just paste the URL which you copied from the workflow and then enter the trigger column. So for me, the trigger column is D, but for you, it can be anything else too. The trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So as you can see, for me, I want to send 4 details. If you want to send 3 or 2 details, your trigger column will be accordingly. Now you have to click on this submit and it is saying setup configured successfully. This means that you have created the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, but it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, just click on this send test and it is saying test data sent successfully, and you're going to see that Pabbly has captured the response for the same. Now let's send SMS. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm just going to use Twilio in order to send automated SMS. You can use any another application too. For the event, select it as send SMS message and click on this connect. Now in order to connect Twilio with Pabbly Connect, go on this add a new connection. It is asking for the account SID, authorization token, and account SID. To get this, just open your Twilio and on the account dashboard, you're going to see account information. Over here, you're going to see the account SID. Just copy it and you have to paste this 2 times over here. For the authorization token, just copy it and paste it right over here. After you paste all of this, click on this save and your Twilio account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After you have successfully created this connection, it is asking for the body of the SMS. So to get this, just go back towards your workflow and simply copy the SMS body. So as you can see, this is the SMS which I want to send. So I've just entered the same. If you want the same SMS, you're going to find the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out and get the SMS from there. Now what I have to do in this SMS, I want to keep the name of the user dynamic. So in order to do this, I'm just going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So in order to map these details, you have to put a slash, search for the detail and map it like this. Now after mapping this, we have to move on further. For the sender's number, just simply copy my Twilio phone number and paste it right over here. For the recipient number, over here just put a slash and map the number of the lead and then click on this save and send test request. But this is a dummy phone number, so I'm just going to replace this dummy phone number with the original phone number so that I can show the message and the response received. Now once I'm just going to click on the save and send test request, we have received a positive response that we have successfully sent this message to Smart. But I don't want to only send this message to Smart but to all the details I have in this Google Sheets. To do this, you have to go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and click on this send all data. Once you click on this send all data, all of this data will be sent towards your workflow, and automated SMS will be sent to each one in this spreadsheet. Not only this, if you want that whenever you add the new details, the SMS should be sent towards them too, then go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and make sure to switch on this button which is send on event. So go try this amazing automation yourself and send bulk SMS for free and just in 5 minutes today. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, try this amazing automation. The workflow URL and the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching.